Hello everybody and welcome back to Super Tech Services. This is Brian again and I got another video for you. I'm going to show you how to fix the reset hard drive lock password message. Unless you have the lock password, you can enter it, but this is for the people that don't have that password. So get ready. This is going to be a little bit of steps. Alright, menu, counter, display keypad, and let's go into tech rep mode. Stop 00, stop 01. This one has the 9272 SC authentication password, so 9272 4 times and then press end, and then I'll turn this off when I get in just so I don't have to deal with it no more. Alright, let's just press end one more time here. Alright, now I'm in. Now let's get rid of that CE password by pressing stop 0C. Go to CE authentication and let's turn that off. Alright, just so we can get rid of that. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is just make sure we got the hard drive installed. That's cool. So let's go to state confirmation, memory hard drive adjust. And what we're going to do is just scroll down to hard drive format, and here you want to select physical. Now normally we do a logical format, but for this one we got to do a physical, and this thing is going to take a long time. So I'm just going to go ahead and press start here, and this could take an hour, hour and a half or so, and I'll be right back when this finishes. Alright, now that the physical format has finished, let's just go ahead and power off. Alright, and then just power right back on. And let's wait for that to boot up. You can see me there recording. Alright, now you're going to get the CD 0112 code. So we're going to go back into tech rep mode. And same thing, stop 00, stop 01. I'm going to go to state confirmation, memory hard drive. Oops. Memory hard drive. Go back to hard drive format and then do a logical. Alright, and then just give that a little bit of time and we'll be back. Alright, now the logical's done. Let's go ahead and turn this off and back on again. And then we'll wait for this to boot up. It'll take a little bit of time, so it will be a little slower. Got it. Alright, so you guys are thinking, oh, the code's still there. What's going on? Alright, we did both of our formats. Now we have to reload firmware. Yes, reload the firmware. So let's power off. Head on over to the side here. Open up the latch. Trying to do this one-handed. Let's see. There we go. Get that in just like so. Alright, then let's power on. Wait for the firmware to load. Alright, firmware is done loading, and we're going to power off and on for the last time, and then we should be good to go. Make sure you pull out the flash drive and then turn the power back on. Alright, now that the power's back on, and it'll take a little bit of time to boot up, and cross your fingers and you should be good to go. Voila, just like that. Make sure you install your animation. I believe you'll have to do that. Let's see if I get the, yeah, no animation guide, so you'll have to make sure you reinstall your animation guide data. And that's it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.